Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking to you about 10 ways you can use coconut oil and the benefits of using coconut oil. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I make DIY natural hair and skincare here on my channel, and I do sell them on my website as well at www.LusciousSkin&Hair.com. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm hoping to get up to at least 60 likes on this video. Let's get right into it. So coconut oil, I'm sure you've heard about coconut oil. There's tons and tons of videos on coconut oil, and if you're not using coconut oil at the moment, then I'm not sure what's going on. Like, I really don't know what's going on, unless obviously you're allergic to it or something like that. Coconut oil is so amazing. I include it in almost every skincare product that I make here on my channel, and that's because it's really rich in fatty acids and lauric acid. So fatty acids, obviously, because it is fatty, it does form a protective barrier on the skin and on the hair, helping it to retain moisture and not leaving your skin stripped or dried. And lauric acid is great at killing different kinds of bacteria, both in the body and externally on the body as well. So the first thing that I love to use coconut oil for is for oil pulling. So oil pulling is almost like a mouthwash, but using coconut oil. As I said, it contains lauric acid, and that really helps to kill any bacteria that might be in the mouth. So all I do is I put the coconut oil into my mouth. I put a tablespoon of coconut oil into my mouth, and I just swish it around for about 15 minutes depending on how much time I have, and I spit it out before I go ahead and brush my teeth. In brushing my teeth as well, so which leads on to my next point, I have swapped to a more natural alternative to toothpaste. I found toothpaste to make my teeth sensitive. I've tried all different ones, but I've just had sensitive teeth. So I decided to switch to a natural alternative, and I've been using this natural alternative for about 2 years now, and I love it. It works perfectly. My teeth feels cleaner, a lot whiter, and I don't have that toothpastey taste in my mouth either, but my breath feels fresh. So all I do is I take a tablespoon of baking soda and a tablespoon of coconut oil, mix it together, and that's it. I just put it into a container, and then I can start using it to brush my teeth. It's worked beautifully. Definitely try it out. Don't knock it before you try it, okay? Alright, so my next point is coconut oil as a moisturizer. As I said, I've included it in my DIY body lotion. I've included it in my whip shea butter. It works beautifully when I incorporate it in those two. I personally don't use it as a moisturizer on its own, but I found using it as a pre-poo for your body and leaving it on for about 10 or so minutes before hopping in the shower helps leave my skin even softer. You can try it as a moisturizer on its own, but I prefer to use it as a pre-poo. I also incorporate coconut oil into my body scrubs, my coffee body scrub, which I have a recipe for. Basically everything that I show you in this video will be linked in the description box, so make sure you check it out. I do have a coffee body scrub, and the only oil I use in there is coconut oil because it leaves my skin feeling so soft, and because of its antibacterial properties, it helps to kill any bacteria that may be on my skin at the time. Coconut oil also works amazingly as a makeup remover. Again, because of its fatty acid content, it's able to really dissolve any waterproof stuff that you might have on your face. It literally just melts it away. You can easily wipe off your makeup with just a wet towel without even needing wipes once you apply coconut oil on your face. And because it has antibacterial properties, it's really amazing if you have acne prone skin. It can help to reduce the number of breakouts that you might get. And you know, it's a natural alternative to all the store-bought stuff that you might be purchasing as well. So it's definitely a better alternative. Coconut oil can also be used as a pre-poo for hair. I generally incorporate it into my pre-poo mixture, which I leave in my hair for a while before I go ahead and wash my hair. and I found that that really helps to soothe this dry, thick, curly hair. So yeah, definitely that's something to give a go as well, or to think about doing. You can also use it as a moisturizer for after you've washed your hair. So as I said, my whipped shea butter contains coconut oil, and that's definitely forms a big part of the moisture that I get from my whipped shea butter. Coconut oil has been found to be a healthier alternative to vegetable oil. Coconut oil has been found to reduce cholesterol in the body. So if you're trying to lose weight, it's definitely something you can give a go and see how you go with it. If you haven't tried coconut oil, you have to give it a go. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But it's a natural alternative, and it has tremendous benefits for the body, for the skin, for the hair. If there's something that you've used coconut oil for that I didn't mention in this video, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know as well if you found this video helpful and you would like to see more videos about the benefits of different things. Don't forget to follow me at LusciousSkin&Hair on Instagram for any updates, and sometimes I do live videos over there as well, so go ahead and follow me over there. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.